This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. You need iOS 13 or later and an adapter that matches your iPhone port. Once done, connect the SSD through the proper Lightning or USB-C adapter. If the drive requires external power, attach that so the phone can recognize it. Make sure Files app is available and updated, because this is where you'll browse the SSD. You're starting the process now to let the system mount the drive and show its folders in Files. Once the SSD appears under Locations, tap it to list folders and files. You should see previews for images and documents. You can long press a file to copy or move, or use Select then Move to rearrange content into new folders. This avoids accidental deletions. For media, make sure formats are iPhone-friendly, because unsupported codecs won't play. If necessary, convert videos on a computer or via an app before transferring. Keep an eye on free space to prevent transfer errors. To finish, close the Files app and safely unplug the SSD after activity stops so you avoid file corruption. If the drive isn't recognized, reconnect it, try another adapter or cable, and confirm the SSD's power. You might also restart your iPhone to clear transient USB issues. If folder permissions block access, use a compatible app to open files or format the SSD to exFAT on a computer, only after backing up data. One key tip: always power the SSD when required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.